IoT implementation in production site and existing equipment with GOT and IQR. Visualization of operating status with MELSEC-A Series. Realize visualization of operating status while keeping your existing system as it is without stopping production lines. You may wonder that, to visualize the operating status of the equipment, isn't there any way to do it without renewing the discontinued MELSEC-A Series? We do have a solution for you. If you connect GOT to the 25-pin port on MELSEC-A PLC, it's possible to monitor device values. Connecting GOT and PC with USB. You can also monitor with GX Developer. In addition, by using GOT's device data transfer function, MELSEC-A PLC's device data can be transferred automatically to IQR PLC. You can keep using equipment with MELSEC-A PLC as it is while deploying the collected data from MELSEC-A PLC to transform it into the PLC for IoT via GOT. First, connect an RS422/485 cable to GOT set for communication with MELSEC-A PLC. Device values of MELSEC-A PLC will then be read. After those values have been read by GOT, they can be further transferred to the specified devices of IQR PLC. PDF or JPEG data that you have can be used to create a GOT screen. GOT mobile function also provides you access to the screen from browsers on your smartphone. If alarms are set on GOT, you can check where errors occur from your smartphones. If a network camera is set up in advance, the location where the cause of the error lies can be monitored in real time. By displaying the collected data by eFactory starter package in graphs, utilization status can be controlled easily as well. In addition, even without using GOT, if you add a serial communication module in IQR PLC, data from multiple MELSEC-A PLCs can also be collected. With all these functions, you're not only able to keep utilizing your existing legacy system without stopping the production lines, but also achieve visualization of operating status. Isn't it worth considering?